sake, Ed. This is the Thetford Forest Lad Fest all over again.
Oh, you mean because you vanished when it all kicked off, hiding your face under that stupid cap? How was I to know her brother was a local cabbie?
You asked if they serve prawns at a country pub anyway. Gave us up as out-of-towners right away.
Hey, you asked to see the wine list. And you spent ages choosing. Have you ever made a decision in your life? I bet your wife even picks out your socks.
No, my wife doesn't pick my socks.
Wouldn't need someone to run your life if you were a legend 24/7. Anyway, why are you all picking on me? Like, Matt's no better, having a crack at that barmaid.
Hey, I can't help it if women find me irresistible. Even these hits.
Were you two Romeos expecting them to come back to the Airbnb? For what? A night of hot, sophisticated passion?
Or Mario Kart.
It's bad enough being in a WhatsApp group with you lot. I don't want to hear what you sound like shagging.
Oh, man, no signal.
I'm in the middle of England's biggest black spot. Who are you sending selfies to anyway? Everyone you know is here, in a field, in the middle of nowhere. We must be getting close by now.
Well, I'm sure it was a misunderstanding, but I won't let it happen. Not again. Not now it's my land. I've taken measures. No, they're not here.
Found your way back then?
Just about. My wife stayed here before. Drew me this map. Women in directions. Am I right? Everything okay?
Some local business.
You city boys found the Wi-Fi? No signal, but you can still make internet calls. And did you find the drawer of the cutlery? Forks and knives. Big knives. And feel free to smoke indoors. Hey, if you hear any strange noises tonight, stay inside. You'll be safe inside. You hear?
Okay, yeah, we will.
What's that all about?
Dunno. Local business?
How do you put this place again?
Becky recommended it. She came here on a girls' weekend last year.
He's still looking.
Weirdo. Anyway, forget that guy.
Let's get this party started! Yeah! Come on!
Come on.
One more corner. What are the buttons again?
Yes! Yes! The mushroom club is mine! Suck it, Matt. Suck it, Neil. Suck it, Ed! Where's my controller gone, Ed? Ed? Alright, chill out. I'm sure we can get it back.
Oh, you're gonna make it worse.
Ed! No! Ed!
Feels like your mum.
The farming entrepreneur is the latest private individual to enter the space race, having launched 9 satellites from a remote Russian location earlier this month.
Hiya, Devon okay?
Yeah, but we damaged a wall.
Oh no. Is anyone hurt?
No, just Ed. But we found something. You watch those ghost shows, right? What does it mean if you find a skull hidden inside a wall?
You haven't moved, have you?
No.
Good. Leave it alone.
Becky says to leave it alone.
Do you do everything your wife tells you to do?
Stop being childish. Give it here. Give.
Well, that's my guest rating ruined.
Sorry, mate.
Who's going to clean this up?
Well, I didn't drop it. I'm off out for a smoke. Where did I put that lighter?
The host said you could smoke indoors.
Yeah, but then I'd have to sweep up.
Typical. Always looking out for number one.
Here's your number one.
I'll get a broom then.
Hello there.
Hey, look, I really am sorry.
It's fine. It's just been a long day.
Yeah, I know, but while we've been honest with each other here, there's something I've been meaning to talk to you about. Me and...
I should probably check on Ed. What was that? Probably just an animal, right?
We're in the countryside, right?
Right? Right?
Right.
It's on the roof. What kind of animal can get on the roof?
Well, if only there was some way we could look it up.
Oh, for goodness sake. Is anything else going to ruin this holiday? There's something out there.
Is that a prawn?
Neil, no! Stop! Wait! The guy said we'd be safe inside. It wasn't an animal that time.
I've heard that noise once, when Neil shut his hand on the car door.
I don't think it can come inside. What is it? farmyard baby man, slurry tank leaked into the local water, mutant cow, what?
It's the local bumpkins getting us back to that stuff at the pub. I'm not taking it. I didn't do that Guns and Buns MMA course for nothing.
Man, no!
Come on then. Having some fun in the city, folk? Well, here I am, all chiselled 6'2" of me. Well, backwards inbred turnip munching cow fuckers. It's real. Shit, it's real. Ali, it's real.
Ah! My leg! My perfectly sculpted calf! That took months!
I've got you. Hold on, Matt. You're going to be okay.
Ali, I've got to tell you.
Not now, Matt. Hold on.
No, mate. You deserve this. When you've been working late, Becky and me, we've been...
I know, Matt.
You... No.
Because I've not been working late. She makes me watch, Matt. She makes me watch from inside the wardrobe.
You...
I'm not actually dead.
Oh, shit. Wrong car, idiot. Shit.
You fools! That skull was there to protect you.
The listing didn't say anything about giant fucking demons. What is this?
It harvests qualities, traits, the bad ones, and uses them to make something awful to send back to your world. And once there, finds a host to spawn a being of pure evil. Selfishness and egotism. Cowardice and self-preservation. Vanity. But something's wrong. You have nothing of worth.
God, you sound like my wife.
Your wife. Don't just stand there. Run!
Becky?
Do it, Ali. Fulfill your purpose. Become the devil's cuckold. Sow the seed.
Yes. Sow the seed.
You're skipping steps, Aldred. Mixing things up. You cannot do this.
We did it before.
The satellite boy.
He served his purpose well. And soon, with the help of his wicked devices, this new creature, formed of traits so awful, so despicable, so irresistible to their worst impulses, will gain us a further foothold on that vile world. Look! It's happening! The summoning has begun.
They'll only fool the ancient ones for so long.
Prove yourself. Silence him for good. Sow the seed.
Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed. Sow the seed.
Good work, sister. Excellent work, brother. Your scars are nearly healed. Are you ready?
Let's get this party started.